Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Snapchat. After using Snapchat for a while, it may start to lag and some bugs may appear. That's why it's better to clear the cache on Snapchat. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. The first step you need to do is to open a Snapchat app on your device. Then tap on your avatar picture in the top left corner of the screen. Now you are on your profile, and you need to tap on Settings in top right corner of the screen. After that, you will come on this menu and scroll down to find Clear Cache field. When you find that, tap on it and confirm on Continue, and wait a couple of seconds to clear cache, and you finish. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.